know we usually talk locks and hair, but sometimes you want your face to match your fresh retwist. Today I'll be using Ardell Professional Naked Lashes. I chose these lashes because they give me a soft glam look without doing too much. The easiest way to know which lash to put on which eye is to hold your lashes away from you, just like how I'm holding my lashes away from me. You'll put the left lash on the left eye and the right lash on the right eye. Next, you'll need some tweezers because this will allow you to have maximum control when applying your lashes. I know that some people like to use their fingers. That's a little more advanced, so we'll start with some tweezers. And this is optional. These are lash tweezers. They're curved, and it also allows you to have maximum control when applying your lashes as well. Next, you'll need scissors. I like to use eyebrow scissors because they are tiny enough to precisely cut the excess lash if they are too long for my eye. And lastly, but most importantly, you'll need a top tier lash glue. I'm using the Dual Lash Quick Set Glue. It's waterproof and it dries clear. Some people like to use black, but black can get messy for a beginner, or it can appear too dramatic if you're not going for the eyeliner look and you want something a little more subtle. I already applied my left lash. Now we'll apply the right lash together. To easily remove the lash from the tray, use your tweezers to grab the corner of the lash, starting closer towards the edge of the lash tray. And voila, it will begin to peel off with ease. After removing the lashes, I gently bend the band so it curves. This helps it apply easier and keeps the corners from sticking up. Now that the lash is curved, I measure it against my lash line to see where to cut. And a quick hack is to gently pull the outer corner of your eye to straighten it, then measure. I mark it with my finger, trim the lash, and you're good to go. This just helps the lashes look more natural and prevents lifting. If this video is helping you so far, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Another tool that I forgot to mention was a tabletop mirror, which will make it so much easier to see what you're doing and allow you to keep both hands free, which is super helpful for beginners. You can find all the tools in the description box below. Now I apply my lash glue to the inner band and along the top of the lash band. The glue goes on white but dries clear. Before applying the false lash to my natural lash, I let the glue dry for a few seconds until it gets tacky, which helps the lashes stick better. If it's too wet, they'll slide right off. Once the glue is tacky, I use the same trick and gently pull the outer corner of my eye to apply the lash. I slightly place the lash away from the inner corner to avoid irritation. For better control, I set the lash in the middle first, then press down the inner and outer corners to secure it. As a beginner, you can use tweezers, but I prefer alternating with the use of my fingers and my tweezers because I feel like I have more control that way. I like to gently press the false lash into and slightly under my natural lash line to help hide the band and make it look more seamless and natural. And remember, once the glue is completely dry, it will turn clear, which is exactly what you want. If this video is helping you so far, comment "It's helping me, sis" in the comment section below. If you struggle with applying false lashes, just know it gets better with practice and repetition. It's also normal to tear up a little while applying, so wipe your tears and keep slaying, sis. Strip lashes are perfect if you don't have the time or extra funds for individual lashes. I personally prefer strip lashes because they're gentler on my natural lashes, less irritating, and I can remove them whenever I want. As you can see, I'm double checking and pressing the inner and outer corners closer to and slightly under my lash line, because once those corners lift, the lashes won't look natural anymore. When your lashes are in place to your liking, you're good to go and ready to slay. And voila, you've just taken your look from basic to baddie. You go, girl. To safely remove your lashes, use an oil-based makeup remover since the glue is waterproof. All products and tools are linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if this tutorial has helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Mwah.